Say goodbye to boredom and unlock a whole new dimension of creativity with the 3D printer pen for kids. This innovative pen turns imagination into reality. Simply plug it in, load safe PLA filament, and start drawing in the air or on surfaces to create stunning 3D designs. Easy to use and mess-free, it feels like a mini sculpture studio right in your hand. Perfect for kids to explore STEM skills, boost creativity, and bring their ideas to life beyond paper. From fun shapes to detailed models, every stroke sparks confidence and innovation. Durable, lightweight, and exciting to use, it's the ultimate creative upgrade. Turn doodles into 3D masterpieces. Grab yours now and let young imagination